Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can buy and sell on Exness. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness account, go to the chart, and as you can see here, we have sell and we have buy. So let's say you made your analysis and now you want to, for example, sell. Okay. Now we have two choices. We have the market order and we have the pending order. So for the market order, click on it one time. And if you click on confirm sell, then you will sell on this price. Okay. Your order will be filled on this price. But if you choose pending, like this one, then you can choose the place where you want to sell. For example, let's say I want to sell here. So when the price hit this place, your order will be filled. Okay. Now let's choose, for example, market order. You have to choose the volume, one lot, two lot, three lots, on less than one lot. Okay. You can choose, for example, 0.01 or zero point 0.5. Okay. I think that you get the idea. And we have here the take profit. You can add the take profit. For example, if you sell, you have to add the take profit here down. And we have here the stop loss. Click on it and add the stop loss, for example, here. Now let's click on confirm sell, for example. And as you can see, we have our order is filled. Go to open here at the bottom left. Click on it. And as you can see here, this is your order. This is the symbol, Euro SD, sell. This is the volume, the open price, current. This is your take profit, the stop loss, and this is your PNL. So now we've made $4. Okay. If you want to close this order, all you have to do is click on it here or here. Okay. So click on here, for example. And as you can see, position closed. Go to closed here, and you will see your position here. Okay. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.